In last lecture, we have completed the intersection topic, and now we discuss about the combination of intersection and union of last law. Look here, fifth number. It is called distributive law. First, we write here intersection, and in a bracket, we write here union. So it is called intersection over union distributive law. Intersection distribute over union. Is that clear? Here total two law of distributive law. Total two distributive law here. But in our textbook only one law is given. Only one law. Now look your notebook. We write here both the law. Clear? Look here student. First one. Intersection over union. A intersection B union C. A intersection B union C. First we write intersection, and in a bracket we write here union. So it is a intersection over union. And second one, it is called union over intersection. A union B intersection C. Right student? Okay. Now we apply the law here. Now first here we create the bracket. Yeah. Okay. Now here intersection is outside the bracket and union is into the bracket. So here the complete the reverse. Intersection in the bracket and union is outside the bracket here. Okay. Right student? Now here also second law, union inside the bracket. Okay. And intersection is outside the bracket. Is that clear student? Okay. Now speak here. Speak. A intersection B first. A intersection B. Again. A intersection C. A intersection C. And then both the union. Is that clear? Okay. Now second. A union B. A union B. A union B. Then again repeat. A union C. A union C. So here the first law intersection over union, and second law union over intersection. Now from this law dependable, I think 3 to 4 sums are remaining. In next exercise, look this exercise. Figure is not important for distributive law. Figure is not important for distributive law. Look exercise number 1.4. I think some question remaining. Yeah. Question number 6. Question number 6. I think 6, 8, 9 and 10 are remaining. Right? And remaining question completed. Okay. Now A intersection B union C. So first we try to B union C right here. B union C. 7, 9, 11, 13. 7, 9, 11, 13 and C. 11, 13 is already done it, and the last one is 15. It is called B union C. Now take the A intersection. Here the set of A 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. A equal to 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. Now take the intersection from these two sets. Which elements are common? 7 common, 9 common, 11 common. So intersection of these two sets, answer is 7, 9 and 11. Is that clear student? Okay. Now we discuss here ninth one. Ninth one first, because here B union C already done here. Okay. Just this one is erase here. 7, 9 and 11 because we need it here. Okay. Now ninth question. A intersection B first. A intersection B, which elements are common? A intersection B, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and here 7, 9, 11, 13. So 7, 9, 11 is common elements. Okay. Now A intersection B union C. A intersection B is here, B union C is here. Which elements are common? So 7, 9, 11 in both the set. Okay. So again answer 7, 9, 11. Now we discuss 10th one. 10th question. A union D intersection, again B union C. So first we take A union D. A union D. Which elements? A set is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Yeah. 11. And D is 15, 17. 15 and 17. Now which elements common in this two set? B union C. Here we take the intersection, right? And A union D. Okay, which elements common? 7, 9, 11 and 15. Yes. 7 common in both the set, 9 common in both the set, 11 also common and 15 also common. So answer is 7, 9, 11, 15. Okay. Now 8th one is remaining. First B union D. B union D. All these elements 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. Right here 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. Right. Now take the intersection from A. A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So 7, 9, 11 is the common. Right. Again answer 7, 9, 11. Is that clear, student? So here the distributive law completed. Okay. Now we discuss the new topic. You have first time study in 11th science. Most IMP topic is the difference set. Which set? Difference set. Right? Okay. First we give the discuss example number 18, then after give the definition. A equal to 1 to 6. Look here. Example number 18. 18 example. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And set B equal to what? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6 and 8. Clear, student? Okay. Read this question again. 1 to 6 and 2, 4, 6, 8. Find A minus B and B minus A. Look here, first definition here. The difference set of the set A and B in this order is the set of elements which belongs to A but not to B. Explain in example 18 and symbol A minus B. Speak it here. Read A minus B. Right? Okay. Now we explain. First we draw the Venn diagram. Then we explain here. Okay, here the universal set. First set A. Second set B. Now which elements are common in both the set? 2 common, 4 common and 6 also common. Right here first. 2, 4 and 6. Now which element of set A remaining? 1, 3, 5. Right here. Sorry, 1, 3, 5 here. 1, 3 and 5. And set B only A. Now we find here A minus B and also discuss B minus A. So what's the concept of my difference set? What's the concept? Here A minus B and B minus A. First remember student here. First common element cancel in both the set. Common elements cancel in both the set. That means 2 common cancel, 4 common cancel, 6 common cancel. Okay. Now when we write answer A minus B, first set is A, second set is B. So which of the elements are remaining in set A? Which of the elements are remaining in set A? Sir, only 1, 3, 5, this portion. So 1, 3, 5. Clear, student? So A minus B is the element. All the elements 1, 3, 5 are only and only the set present containing the set A. Only and only set A, not in B. Look this portion. This portion is called A minus B. This portion is called A intersection B. So here common L intersection cancel here in both the set. Right? Now define. Now define. We use the property method. 1, 3, 5 elements say X. Say X such that all the elements are present in first set A but not present in set B. So X such that X belongs to A but X does not belongs to B. This is definition of A minus B, student. Is clear? Okay, now we discuss the B minus A. B minus A, again, common element cancel, 2, 4, 6 cancel. Now here the first set is B. So which elements are remaining in set B? Sir, only A. This portion is called B minus A. So it A, right, student? Okay, so again we define this 8 say X such that X belongs to B but X does not belongs to A. Clear, student? So this is the different set of the definition. Different set A minus B and B minus A. Now look again Venn diagram carefully. Look here again Venn diagram carefully. Here A minus B answer is 1, 3, 5. Right? 1, 3, 5. We detailed discussion here. A intersection B is 2, 4, 6. And B minus A equal to only 8. Right, student? Now take the intersection from this 3 side. Intersection this 3 side here. A minus B intersect A intersect B and intersect B minus A. Any elements common in this 3 set? Anyone common in this 3 set? No, sir. So always and always A minus B, A intersection B and B minus A are intersection is null set. Because look this figure here. We have already explained this figure. Directly explain here. Because A minus B is this portion. A intersection B is middle middle portion. B minus A is right side portion. So no one can common element in all these 3 set. Right? Okay. Next thing. A minus B union of these 3 set. A intersection B union B minus A. What about say union of these 3 set? Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. All the elements containing set U. It is called universal set. Otherwise, you can say here also A union B also. Right? If you can write also both answer right. Universal set also possible because here no one can present here outside the A union B. So you can write here answer also universal set or A union B. Both answer are right answer, 100% right answer. Is that clear, student? Okay. Now we discuss the definition and another example also. Okay. Next thing also is here possible. A minus B. Look here example number 18 here. Again A minus B and B minus A is, look this that. Our example. Answer, check here. A minus B answer is 1, 3, 5 and B minus A answer is 8. So A minus B and B minus A never can be equal. A minus B and B minus A are always unequal. Right? Okay. Now we give another example also. Not in your textbook. Look here. Suppose another example, extra example, A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 4, 5, 6. Now draw the Venn diagram here. Draw the Venn diagram. Universal set. Right here A first set and here the B second set. Right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now write your answer. Sir, A minus B and what? B minus A is what? Our concept is here always when we discuss the different set, our concept is common element will be cancelled. But here no one can common here in both the set because A intersection B is a null set because both the set are disjoint set, right? So our answer is we write the all the elements containing the first set A. First set is here A. So write answer A. 1, 2 and 3. You can write answer A also. And when we discuss B minus A, so answer only B. Is that clear, student? Okay. Again one more example. Suppose A equal to 1, 2 and 3 and set B equal to null set. Now what about say A minus B and B minus A? A minus B common element is present here? No. So first set is here A, so answer is A. And B minus A, no one can present here common, so answer is null set because here B is the null set. First set is B and B is the null set, so our answer is null set. Is that clear, student? Okay, now we goes to the textbook example. Look here, example number 19. Example number 19. A, E, V equal to A, E, I, O, U. B equal to set of A, I, K, U. Which of the common element? A common, sir. I also common. U also common. So first answer V minus B. Remaining elements inside V. E, O. Right? And B minus V. Common cancel. Then after remaining only K. Look this both the answer. V minus B and B minus V not equal, right? So V minus B and B minus V never equal. And look here our definition. A minus B. X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Is that clear, student? Okay. And look your remark. We have already discussed this one. A minus B, A minus B, A intersection B and B minus A are mutually disjoint set. So the intersection of any of these two set, otherwise three set, all these three set are null set. Okay, clear? Now we discuss, continue the exercise 1.4. Continue the exercise number 1.4. Right. Okay, now discuss the question number 9. A equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay, 4, 8, 12, 6. B equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. C equal to given. D equal to given. Okay, first we find A minus B. Now common element cancel. Common cancel A and B. Which of the common elements here? A and B. 12 common. Then, yeah, only 12 common. So A minus B answer is, write your first set A elements. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18 and 21. Okay, now we discuss B minus A. So B minus A is 4, 8, 16 and 20, right? Common cancel. And first set is here B, right? All the elements containing set B except 12. Okay, now we discuss here B minus C. B minus C. So which elements common? Sir, 4 common. Yes. 8 also common. 12 also common. And 16 also common. Yes. So B minus C answer is only 20. Only 20. Now write your answer C minus B. So C minus B answer is 10 and 40. Sorry, 2, 10 and 40. Yeah, 2 is remaining. So 2, 6, 10 and 40. Right? 2, 6, 10 and 14. Yeah, because 4, 8, 12 and 16 cancel. 4, 8, 12 and 16 cancel. Okay, done it. Just hold it. First we erase the cancel element here. Then we discuss. Yeah. Okay. Now A minus C. A minus C. Common element cancel again. 6 cancel. Then 12 cancel. Yes. A, which of the remaining elements? 3, 9, 15, 18 and 21. It is called A minus C. Right? Now C minus A. So write your C elements. 2, 4, 8, 10, 14 and 16. Right? Okay. Now we discuss C minus D. C minus D. Common elements. Only 10 common. 10 common. Yes. But here 6 and 12 cancel. Okay. So C minus D 10 is the common element. Cancel. So elements remaining containing C 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16. Clear. C minus D. Now D minus C 5, 15 and 20. Clear, student? Okay. Now we discuss then D minus A. A minus D is not here. A minus D. Yeah. A minus D. First, this one cancel here. Yeah. Now A minus D. Which elements common in set A and D? Sir, 15. Yes. Only 15. So A minus D is 3, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 21. Right. Then D minus A. D minus A. D minus A is 5, 10, 20. Okay. Now A minus C remaining here. A minus C completed. Okay. Now we discuss B minus D. B minus D. Common elements here. B and D common elements. 20 common. Yeah, only 20. Now write B minus D. 4, 8, 12 and 16. And D minus B 5, 10, 15. Clear, student? Now the course discuss question number 10. First we write x minus y. Common cancel again. BB cancel, DD cancel. Now x minus y is AC. Y minus x is F and G. And intersection is B and D. Clear, student? Now question number 11. Question number 11. If R is the set of a real number, R is the set of a real number and Q is the set of a rational number, then what? R minus Q. R is the set of a rational number and union irrational number. Right, student? Now, if here in a real number, you can subtract the rational number, so irrational number remaining. So our answer is irrational number. So R minus Q answer is irrational number. Okay, student? Clear? So here the different set topic completed. Just we check here above the example. Above example here, anyone remaining? Yeah, completed. Okay, done it. No problem. So here the different set topic completed. Now in next lecture we discuss the complement set. Okay, so here we lecture completed. Thank you very